Let's find out some unknown unique differences between dogs and humans. Dogs have a sense of smell 10,000 to 100,000 times more accurate than humans. The fastest dog, the greyhound, can reach a speed up to 70 kilometers per hour, while the fastest human, Usain Bolt, reached a top speed of 44 kilometers per hour. Dogs have 40 teeth, while a human has 30 teeth. The average lifespan of a dog is 10 to 13 years, while the average human lifespan is around 72 years globally. Just like humans have unique fingerprint, dogs' nose print is unique. Unlike humans, who rely on medical tests and screening for diseases, dogs can smell diseases like cancer, diabetes before symptoms appear. Dogs sweat through their paw pads, while humans sweat through glands all over their skin. Dogs have 3 eyelids, including one to keep their eyes moist and protected, while humans have just 2 eyelids. Average humans can learn 20,000 to 35,000 words, while dogs can learn over 1,000 words and signals. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans, due to a larger number of light-sensitive cells. Dogs have 18 muscles in each ear, allowing them to move and rotate their ears, while humans have 6 muscles in each ear. Dogs' average heart rate is between 60 to 140 beats per minute, while the average human heart rate is between 60 to 100 beats per minute. We hope you learned something new today. Subscribe and like for more such videos.